Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an academic character reference letter. What is an academic character reference letter? An academic character reference letter is a formal document, written by an academic professional, such as a professor or teacher, recommending a student based on their character, academic performance, and potential. This letter typically highlights the student's intellectual abilities, work ethic, personal qualities, and contributions to the academic community. It is often used to support applications for further education, scholarships, or academic opportunities. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an academic character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. In this case, the writer is a professor. And then, write your occupation in the educational institution. Or, you can directly mention the department. In this case is Department of Biology. After that, write the name of the university or school or educational institution. In this example is University of California, Berkeley. And then, write the address of the department or the university. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can continue by writing the date of the letter. Write in the format of month, date, and year. Once you done, write the information about the recipient. You can start with their full name. And you should include it if they are a professor or doctor and so on. Under it, write their occupation in the school or university or educational institution. In this case is Admissions Committee Chair. Under it, write the name of the educational institution. In this case is Harvard Medical School. And now, you need to write the address of the school or university. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You have completed the sender and recipient details. Now you need to write the subject of the letter. Well, this is not a must, but highly recommended. You can simply write, academic character reference for, followed by the name of the student you recommend. In this example is Emily Turner. After that, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. You can simply write, Dear, followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is an introduction. Here, you need to introduce yourself. In this example, the writer introduces herself as Professor Thompson. Statement of intent to provide a character reference for Emily Turner. After that, you can continue to mention how long you have been teaching the student you recommend. In this example, the writer mentions the duration of Professor Thompson's guidance of Emily. And here is how you write it. I am writing to provide a character reference for Emily Turner, who has been under my guidance as a student in the Department of Biology, at the University of California, Berkeley, for the past 3 years. And now you can give an opening endorsement and how you recommend the student. You may write something like, It is with great pleasure that I recommend her, for any academic pursuits or opportunities that may arise. In the second paragraph, this is for recommendation and overview. As you can see, the writer expresses pleasure in recommending Emily for academic opportunities. You may write something like, Throughout her time at our institution, Emily Turner has demonstrated exceptional dedication to academic excellence, a thirst for knowledge, and a passion for biology. And then, the writer highlights Emily's dedication to academic excellence and passion for biology. Sure, you can do the same, and here is the example how you write it. She is a highly motivated individual, who consistently goes above and beyond expectations. In the third paragraph, you can talk about the student's academic excellence and community involvement. In this letter, the writer details Emily's academic achievements. Not only that, the writer also mentions her positive impact on the academic community. And here is the example. Emily is not only an outstanding student academically, but also a positive and respectful member of our academic community. Sure, you need to write more to convince the recipient. Yes, provide specific examples of her contributions, such as organizing a study group. For example is, she actively participates in class discussions, engages with peers, and contributes to a collaborative learning environment. The student's positive character traits will sound perfect if you also provide an example, so the recipient can figure out the student's qualifications. Here, you may write something like, for example, she took the initiative to organize a study group for her classmates, fostering a sense of teamwork and support. In the fourth paragraph, now talk about the student's communication and analytical strengths. Of course, this is important. As you see, the professor emphasizes Emily's ability to understand and communicate complex scientific concepts. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. One of her notable strengths is her ability to analyze complex scientific concepts and communicate them effectively. And then, you need to provide an example of the student's excellence in a research project. You can check this sample. For instance, she excelled in a research project where she presented her findings to faculty and fellow students, demonstrating her excellent communication and presentation skills. In the fourth paragraph, now you can talk about the student's personal and intellectual growth. If you see, the writer reflects on Emily's growth at University of California, Berkeley. And here is how you write it. I have had the pleasure of witnessing Emily Turner grow, both intellectually and personally, during her time at the University of California, Berkeley. Sure, you can copy this template. And besides that, it is highly recommended that you praise the student's analytical skills, problem-solving abilities, and curiosity. You can make an impressive sentence like, she possesses a keen analytical mind, excellent problem-solving abilities, and a genuine curiosity that extends beyond the classroom. In the fifth paragraph, this is where you talk about the student's confidence in future success. Of course, you must state confidence in your student's continued academic success. And for example, you may write it this way. I am confident that Emily Turner will continue to excel in her academic pursuits and will make meaningful contributions to any learning environment. Still in the same paragraph, give a strong recommendation for the student's suitability in any learning environment. You can impressively write, she has my highest recommendation without reservation. In the sixth paragraph, offer to provide more information about the student you recommend. Just like in this letter, the writer offers to discuss Emily's achievements further. It means, you need to provide your contact information for additional inquiries. They can be your phone number, an email address. Here is the example. If you have any further questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact me at 555-987-6543 or sarah.thompson@email.com. And show your eagerness in discussing more about the student you recommend. In case you don't know what to write, you may check this sample. I am more than willing to discuss Emily Turner's academic achievements and provide any further insight into her character and abilities. In the seventh paragraph, this is where you write your closing endorsement. But before it, thank the recipient for their consideration. You may write, thank you for considering my recommendation. And then, reiterate the recommendation for your student. In this sample, the writer expresses belief in Emily's value as an asset to Harvard Medical School. And therefore, you may write something like, I believe Emily Turner would be a valuable asset to Harvard Medical School. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. Write your full name under it. Add your department as well. And write also your occupation in the school or university. So, that's how you write an academic character reference letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.